மகாவீர் ஹனுமான் ராமாயணம் சுந்தரகாண்டத்தில் 42ஆம் சர்க்கத்தில் 33வது ஸ்லோகம் முதல் 37வது ஸ்லோகம் வரை உள்ள ஸ்ரீ ஜெய பஞ்சகம் ஸ்லோகத்தை பாராயணம் செய்வதால் திருமணம் ஆகாத பிள்ளைகளுக்கு திருமணம் நிச்சயமாகி வாழ்வில் கஷ்டங்களும் நீங்க பெறலாம். மகாவீர் ஹனுமான் is an ardent devotee of Sri Rama, the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu. A general among the Vanaras, Hanuman is a disciple of Lord Rama in the war against the demon king Ravana, the king of Sri Lanka. Also known as Anjaneya, Maruti, Maharudra, Pavanputra, Keshri Nandan, Arbiter, Anjani Putra, Bajrang Bali and Hanumat. Hanuman's exploits are much celebrated in a variety of religious and cultural traditions, particularly in Hinduism, to the extent that he is often the object of worship according to some Bhakti traditions, and he is the prime deity in many temples known as Hanuman Mandirs. Sri Jaya Panchakam, 5 slokas in Ramayana epic are called Sri Jaya Panchakam. When Hanuman was at Sri Lanka fighting with the warriors of demon king Ravana, Hanuman chanted Jaya Panchakam slokas for winning in the war. In Ramayana, Sundarakandam, in 42 sarg, and slokas from 32 to 37 are called Jaya Panchakam. By chanting Jaya Panchaka slokas at the time of seeking bride and bridegroom for your children, you will get good match to your daughters and sons. You can also chant these slokas several times to get relief from loan burden and to win in court cases and to get relief from illness. Multiple places in India are claimed as the birthplace of Hanuman. Hanuman was born on Anjaneya Hill in Hampi, Karnataka. This is located near the Rishyamukh mountain on the banks of the Pampa, where Sugriva and Sri Rama are said to have met in Valmiki Ramayana's Kishkinda Kanda. There is a temple that marks the spot. Even Triambakeswar, Anjan, a small village about 18 km away from Gumla, houses Anjan Dham, which is said to be the birthplace of Hanuman. The name of the village is derived from the name of the goddess Anjani, mother of Mahavir Hanuman. Anjani Gufa cave, 4 km from the village, is believed to be the place where Anjani once lived. Bow down to Hanuman, who is the slayer of demons and who is present with head bowed and eyes full of flowing tears wherever the fame of Lord Rama is sung. Jai Hanuman, Jaya Jaya Hanuman, Jaya Jaya Hanuman, Jai Hanuman, Jaya Hanuman, Jaya Hanuman, Jaya Hanuman, Jaya Hanuman, Marudiraya Jaya Hanuman, Vayugumara Jaya Hanuman, Vanaravira Jaya Hanuman, Sri Rama Bhakta Jaya Hanuman, Sri Rama Bhakta Jaya Hanuman, Anjaneya Raghivira Ramaduda Mambahi, Anjaneya Mamabandhu, Anjaneya Dayasindhu, Anjaneya Raghurama, Anjaneya Paramdama, Rama Lakshmana Jani, Jai Bolo Hanuman ki, 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 Rama Lakshmana Jani, Jai Bolo Hanuman ki. Namaste.